Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Kia, Wichita Falls, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Kia K4 GT Line Turbo. This vehicle is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with a intelligent variable automatic transmission. $31,840 is the total price on this car. It's pretty cool. Really nice interior in here. I love this new steering wheel. It looks awesome. The Kia logo. You have the drive mode selector on the steering wheel. I really haven't seen that placement for a drive mode selector before. You have heated and ventilated seats. Really good for this price point. Very impressive. Seats are really comfortable. They feel great. You have a nice GT Line badge. You have a sunroof, which is power operated. The sunshade's power operated, which is really nice to see. You have a big screen, very easy to read and use, updated graphics. This is a very impressive interior from Kia. For this price point, this is awesome. You have a really nice reverse camera, very clear with a 360 view. And that's crazy that a car of this price point having this technology is phenomenal. Very nice. Very, very impressed right now. Big cup holders, but let's walk around this Kia. Nice black wheels. Giant headlights on this thing. Door handles are on the pillar on this car. Big brake light assembly. Here's the trunk. Pretty good looking car. Harman Kardon sound system, also impressive. Let's get this out on the road and see how it drives. Yeah, I'm really impressed with the technology that this car has. For the low 30 price point, that's unbelievable. Don't know how Kia does it. Puts all that kind of technology and stuff at such a affordable price point. It's really cool. Really cool indeed. Smooth acceleration. You have nice shift paddles. And you have the really nice turn signal cameras that I love in Kia and Hyundai products. Really cool. Really, really smooth ride. Once again, for a vehicle like this, an entry-level sedan, small sedan, compact sedan, it's crazy how nice this thing is. Ride is really, really comfortable. Seats are real comfortable too. And I love the shifter. Has a nice feel to it. Good place to rest your hand while driving too. And you can scroll through your menus here too. Really nice drive and good acceleration in this turbocharged 4-cylinder. I love the steering wheel. Has a really cool shape. And then like how the Kia logo's on like the side there. I think Kia's going to start incorporating the steering wheel design into a lot of their other cars as well, is what I would expect. Because they replaced the Forte with this new K4. And then they replaced the Optima with the K5, like in 2020 or something, or 2019 if I remember correctly. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pull into a parking spot, see what the camera looks like. Very easy to see, great resolution too, awesome. And that's so cool. Come on now, that's awesome. What the heck, that's amazing. Super impressed with this K4. I can't say enough good things about it. I can't really think of another car that gives this kind of technology at this price point. I can't think of a car that does that and has this unique of an interior that really stands out and looks unlike basically anything you've seen, you know? It's pretty sick. And even like the exterior is the taillights are a bit extreme for sure in my opinion, but the car looks unique, which is good. It stands out way more than the Forte did. Like that's for sure. And I think that's what Kia was really going for by making the car look this way in the exterior and interior. Both pretty unique design elements, so that's cool. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own K4.